Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and we're gonna get straight into the video. This is a finger coils video, so I'm gonna comb my hair out. Then I'm going to go ahead and put some water in so that I can get it nice and soft. You guys will, or some should, section your hair off depending on how long it is. I don't do too many sections. I just do like 3 or 4. Get my water bottle. Get my product. I'll be using the Eco Styler Cocktail, and I'll also be using the Eco Styler Gold with olive oil, shea butter, castor oil, and flaxseed. So what you'll do is spray the sections down. After spraying the sections down, you'll go ahead and just run your fingers through it. I put a little product in my hair already, which is why it was white. That was the cocktail cream. It's a curling cream. I just like to put that on. For some reason, it just helps my curls drop more afterwards. And at first it will look a little crazy when you're doing it, but it turns out to look really nice. I put a little product on my wrist, grab a little section of hair, insert some product on it, and then just start twisting. Finger coils are super easy. It's not hard at all. Again, the hair will look kind of crazy at first. It'll look wet and slimy and it won't look like a coil, but then as it dries, it'll curl and shrink up with the product. Some of them actually help elongate the hair as well. So guys, I'm just going to give you a few tips. I like to spray my hair down with a lot of water and keep spraying the water on there because it gives for a better twist when you add the product or your styling gel or curling product. So that's going to be my biggest tip to give you guys when trying to do finger coils. Just make sure you have a really good curling product or styling gel, and make sure you spray it down very frequently. So this is the normal speed. I am going to speed it up so obviously we can get to this video. So stay tuned and look out for the final product. Alright guys, here's the final product, and the coils are about to dry. It's going to take like, sometimes it can take a few hours. I usually don't put heat to it, but yeah, this is what it looks like. I hope you guys like. It was really simple and easy to do, as you can see. Just a few products, some water, and some patience, and then you got some finger coils. Please guys, if you try it out, show me your videos, show me your tutorials and your pictures of your final product. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and show some love. And I'm out.